Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Malibu. Today I'll be unboxing my 3-year-old Toy Story 4 toddler bed. So I purchased this bed from Amazon. Yes, you so happy to see it. Yes, so I can't wait to set this up for him to start sleeping in. And Amazon says, thanks to you, this product has a second life. So this is Toy Story 4 bed. They have Cocomelon and other options as well. I chose this one. Alright, so this is me unboxing the bed just to see what's inside. And you can see my help me now. He's helping me to unbox this bed because he's so excited. Okay guys, so it's time to unbox what's inside. Let's see what Amazon sends me, what was purchased. So this is the bed rail, so him door drop off. Yes, so there are 2 bed rails in it. This one is the headboard. My man not sleep on table. Him not sleep on table. I have headboard. He also has these stickers that comes with it. So these stickers are what's supposed to be put on the head and the footboard. Actually, I thought it was made with the design, the cartoon design, but it actually comes with the stickers for you to paste it on the footboard and on the headboard. Okay, and guys, the link will be down in my description if you want to purchase this toddler bed from Amazon, or you like to choose another one. They have Spider-Man, they have Cocomelon, they have Paw Patrol. Yes, so these are just some papers that came inside the box. This is a promotion thing that you can enter to win 500 US, and they also gave us the manual on how to set up the bed. This is the next bed rail. This I didn't know what this was for until I read the manual. So it's actually the bed bottom as you relate to the bottom of the bed, the base. You will see when it's set up, and it's strong too, guys. So mother feels see a weak fence must sleep on. But I thought the bed was going to be huge, but it's very it's accommodating for him, I should say. And these are the rails that's supposed to be insert around the bed base. As I said before, you will see once I'm setting up the bed. Yes, these are the screws that comes with it. I think there are some 2-inch and 3-inch screws. And listen, Amazon give you exact amount of screws. So if you no last one screw, dog nyam on supper. Yeah. So it's time to set up this bed. Can't wait. Let me see how it will go. Yeah. So this is just a manual going through step 1 and 2 at this time, and how to set up. So my baby father is the one who will be setting up this thingy, because as you know, I have a newborn baby. I'm supposed to be doing a labor and delivery vlog, story time I should say, because you know you're not really Jamaican. In Jamaica we are not allowed to vlog like that, so it's just story time, but that will be coming soon. All right, so this is step 3 and step 4. Now for the next step, it's time to paste on those stickers on the headboard and the footboard. And this is the footboard, 2 stickers on each side. And as I said, the link is down in my description. You can make this purchase off Amazon.